How do you really know if you have a good deal? Well, you measure what's called ROI. ROI, or return on investment, is a basic measure of the profit that you're going to get compared on how much cash you have to put into that investment. Hey everybody, it's Randy Wolfe, and this video is all about real estate investing, ROI. Be sure to stick with me until the very end of this video. I'm going to give you a formula that professional investors use to really quickly spot out the winners. So let's dive in. ROI is a universal metric in investing. In real estate, it shows you how much return you're making based on the cash that you put into a deal. So here's the formula. It's pretty simple. You have ROI, it equals annual net profit divided by the total cash invested. So here's an example to kind of break that down with some real numbers. If you put $40,000 into a rental and it gets $4,000 per year after expenses, your ROI is a 10% return. That's what your ROI is. ROI is useful because it lets you compare different deals side by side. So you can take a property returning 8% ROI and you look at another property and it's returning 12%, then you can kind of say, okay, well, this 8% is not as attractive as the one, this returning the 12%, assuming that the risk levels are similar. But ROI does have limitations. So it doesn't account for equity buildup or appreciation, which are also really huge wealth drivers when it comes to real estate. And that's why many investors use ROI alongside some other metrics like cash on cash return or even IRR, which stands for internal rate of return. Now, here's a pro tip for you. Always run ROI using conservative numbers. You do not want to overestimate rents, or even worse, sometimes you do not want to underestimate expenses. A deal that works conservatively is going to be a much better bet. And here's a value nugget. ROI is the investor's report card. That's the way you need to think about it. It's like a report card, and if you get that report card right, like making it all A's on your report card, if you get it right, the ROI number, if you get that right, you'll always know where your money is working the hardest. If you want to learn more about investing in real estate and ROI and all those fun things, be sure to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out content each and every single week. And if you want a little more, you can check out my private community. I will put that link in the description below. As always, thank you for watching today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.